Oh my god. Hey guys, it's Black Oath Capital. My alarm just went off, which means it's time to trade, or maybe not trade. Yep. And this might be a no trade date. Let me see here. Alright. So, just to analyze a little bit, right? And by the way, this is something I didn't really go over in my little process, but gotta check news. News already happened. At least the most important news. At least the most important news. Let me restart my stream real quick. Oh, actually, no, let me restart it real quick. Okay, we're back on. All right. So, I'm just checking some stream stuff right now, guys. I'm very new to all this. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. All right, so let me get back into it. So yeah, checking news is important. Right off the bat, this could be it could run away here. News already happened. I'm just gonna close this. Wait for a different pullback. So it already took the high. It was like trapped in like an area between the high. It's honestly not like the best trade day below here. So I say this for a reason. Look at yesterday's starting point. It was good space and all that. Look at like starting points where you can actually kind of make money. Ton of volume coming in after the high was already taken. Like again, I was saying yesterday, I'm not gonna pretend like I know what I'm talking about. This is just like my own little skepticism and me trying to rationalize something that can't be rationalized. So maybe this is all just idiocy, right? But yeah, I got out here because at this point I probably would have already moved to break even, which to me indicates that I would have been out of the trade already. So I just don't feel like getting in late. I'm gonna quickly forget my reset my Microsoft password real quick. Alright. Yeah. Someone's always trying to break into my accounts. I don't know. Looks like we're getting the pullback we want. I'm gonna buy on up close here. Oh yeah, another thing I wanted to do yesterday was add the OHL indicator to this screen too, just to make it easier for myself to the OHL indicator. Let me see. Where can I find it? If I can't find it fast enough, let's just hope I remember later. All right. Let's see here. This actually looks promising over here. If we lose, guys. I'm gonna take it over here. Technically, that's a higher risk entry. Remember, it's already taken the high out, and it can really just keep going. Let me check the daily actually. Let's see. Oh wow, this. It could keep going higher. My anxiety is that it's, you know, there's all this stuff about liquidity you can research out there. My anxiety here is like there's nowhere else for the price to reach to. But I mean, anxiety is a pointless emotion, I guess, when it comes to trading. There's no point really use for any type of feeling in this like if you lose, then you lose. Oops. Yeah, take me out. I moved to break even because I typically will move to break even around like 50 to 60% of when I'm in profit, just to protect random moves in the wrong direction. Sometimes it's right when you take a trade, the market decides to be all weird. Kill your FOMO, you know. You don't know what's gonna happen. Just let go. There we go. I should be safe now. No one can change my Microsoft password on me. No one can attempt to change it. Everyone can attempt to change it, but they just to defend against people actually doing it. I titled the stream "Trading for Scalability." All that means is just keeping your risk low. I'm prop trading, right? So, realistically speaking, one big gamble trade can mean me losing my account really quickly. That's just the truth of the matter. Most traders have some experience with that. Yeah. So what a buy trade has going for me here is that it's obviously a long-term buy. It's not rocket science. If you go to the daily chart, or if you just pull back like this, obviously long-term buy. What it has going against this is that it's already at all-time highs. You can reverse anytime. Has every right to. It's gone up for, as you can see, quite a long time here. Look at this. Just consistency from NQ. I guess in all this time of warfare and strife, technology still reigns. I wanted to return back to the line, and then I'll go for a buy. Or sell. I don't mind selling in this environment. For a sell to happen, I would need to see this fast line go under this slow line here. These are also right line moving averages. Trading feels a lot better when you have a job too. Then it's like this isn't life, life isn't determined by whether or not I win or lose this trade. And even then, I keep my risk so low that a loss is somewhat inconsequential, especially if I'm just doing a single win or a single loss a day. A loss just in the grand scheme of things becomes inconsequential. And also, in the scalability portion, the scalability thing I wanted to go over was, you got to copy trade, man. Got to copy trade. If you're gonna do the prop trading thing, copy trading is the best. Even if you're not, I feel like if you can get a copy trader, it's just a tool that allows you to spread your risk across multiple accounts by taking trades across multiple accounts at once. So instead of risking $500 on a single account and seeing a huge impact of that one account, you spread that risk. You spread that risk across 5 accounts. Then in reality, none of your accounts really had to deal with a major drawdown. Just not deep enough of a pullback for me. I want to see it go a little bit farther down. And yeah. But look here, I don't think it's that great of a day to trade either. Look at this. It's not that great. Not that great. It's only just now breaking out of this, like right when I just started the trade. Look at that. My stop loss typically sits at around 81 ticks, right? So it's just fine, honestly. It can still go up. I don't care if it does. One thing I like to look out for: multiple pullbacks, a ton of deep pullbacks within a single price movement like this. 1, 2. This is about where I'd call it a valid pullback. 3, 4. I mean, I don't know. I guess because I don't actually know anything about that sort of stuff. I mean, maybe it'd be better to call it like superstition. I wonder if it'll. Oh, did I not add it? I did. me save this as my default template, or no, I'll save this as let me say the workspace. A lot of little micro pullbacks, man. All right. I'm learning what not to do while streaming. Don't full screen your stream. It is, man. I don't know. It would be, and also these would just be torturous trades to sit through. Imagine I took it here. Well, this would have won already. Maybe not. But then I would have had to deal with. No, I would have. Oh no, I would have broke even. Looking back, I would have. Even if I took it on any of these, I think these would have been. Oh no, I think I would have won here. Probably. If I got early on this early one here. Let me just look back here. All right. Mm. MA diff is the difference between this, where price is at, and this slow moving average here, this slow line. It's nice to keep little reminders for yourself. Like if you lose, then you just trade later. Just trade another day. Trade another day. Just trade another day. If my alarm rings and I don't get a trade, like, then we just trade another day. If we lose, then we trade another day. If we break even on a day, we just trade another day. And if we win, trade again. Trade again later. Trade another day. $100 win means $300 that I make early morning like this, just from sitting in front of a screen for an hour and then going about my business later. This is a nice little retracement that I wish that happened like way earlier. We only have like a cool 20 minutes left to find an entry. Again, that's cool though. It's absolutely fine. This chart on the right here, top right, is like the equivalent of looking at the higher time frame just for price. And this one is where I can find a lot of the little micro movements. So I can, it's a safe bet to treat these lines as support and resistance areas that I can see potential reversals off of, because they happen. If you move back, they happen a lot. Up, comes to the line, bounces off, consolidates around it. Comes to the line, meets resistance and all that. You can see it. I'm gonna look for buy opportunity. Man, is that what the, I mean, like, I don't even know, man. I don't know what this, I think that's what it is, the difference between the price and something. I don't know. We got our pullback though, a nice pullback. Now I'm looking for a little micro pullback here. And some significant volume. And then I'm just gonna go and, well, there we go with the micro pullback. If our fast line goes underneath the slow line, I'm gonna shoot for a, my brain's gonna switch to going for a sell. However, if I still think this would be a great buy opportunity. You know, if things go the way I want them to. Does that sound familiar? There needs some structure. I just went in for a sell trade. If I lose, man. At the completion of this one, if it gets completed in my direction, I'll go for break even. it's about where I need it to be. Oh, it's about to. Break even, maybe. All right. Well, that'll do it. A little bit of a, not a buzzer beater, but kind of a buzzer beater. If it's like in the last 15 minutes, if I'm waiting till the last 15 minutes for an entry, then, it's longer than I'd like to be on the market. But yeah, no, pretty good. Pretty good. Good day. I could have left a runner, but I'm doing an evaluation right now. I'll leave runners for like what I could have did? I could have left the runner. I need to like learn how to like properly manage trades separately. Well, I know how to do it in theory, but I just don't really do it. I've never done it before. I'll leave a runner on these two accounts and then let these in. Like I just keep it simple. Like let them all go. So just to just go to the plus I'm changing the title right now to well, you get a nice little I feel less these days. Like it just feels like a satisfaction that I didn't lose. I didn't lose whenever I take a W these days. It's like a satisfaction that there we go. Yeah, here we are. So yeah. These three are my performance accounts. These two are the evaluations that I just passed, actually. Just so you can see it. It's my first time trading with Lucid, so as you can see, I hit the cash value of 53,000. So yeah, pretty cool. What was I gonna say? But yeah, let me pull up that first screenshot. So that's 126.26 plus. I'm sure people can do this math in their head. I just not right now. I have work after this. I really should get better at math. I think I'm good at math. Like I got good grades in school, but I don't know. I wasn't really quick like the other kids. Like I could get it, but I was really slow about it, and I needed a lot of help from a teacher and all that. At least in college, I went to office hours a lot. In high school was pretty easy. You kind of just everything came real easy. Yep. Mm. I'm just Jason. I'm thinking instead of doing the whole nickname, I was trying to figure out what my nickname would be. Like Black. There's either Black personas, but I just might as well go by Jason. Jason with Black Oath Capital. That's me, Yeah, I think that's just who I am. It's Jason. Um, so I was like 370. And guys, you're gonna see some losers eventually. Um, I haven't lost it all this week. It's just been a good week. You're gonna see some losers eventually. Um, that's just how it is, man. So you go through periods of really good periods, and you go through some bad ones too. As long as you're winning more than you're losing, then you're good. And that difference is your earnings from trading. Yeah. But I don't really have anything else to say. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say right now. But good day, good day, good day, so far. And oh yeah, if anyone's interested in that system I use, just is there a way for me to I wish there's like a bio or something, man. Let me see. I'm just gonna repost this. That's if you want to actually book a call with me and learn some more about the system. I'm actually a better speaker than this. I'm becoming aware that I'm not speaking very well while streaming, but I'm actually a really good speaker in real life. It's just I'm new to I'm new to this stream stuff. Yeah. So bear with me. I'll probably get more comfortable as time goes by. But if for people who are just I don't know, really hey, I like how that system that you use works, then just click that second link and buy it. If you don't have 3K just sitting around, then which completely understandable, then just I don't know, use a firm or do a payment plan. As you can see, you can make your money back pretty quickly, right? If you're just consistent in your scaling properly and you're using proper risk management. The idea is that you have an income. Yeah. What you're buying is an income or the tools needed to create your income. Yeah. But again, if you want to talk more about it, just one-on-one, we can do a video call or a call or whatever. And I can share my screen and do a little demonstration Q&A. That's what that second link is. It takes you to my booking on my calendar. So yeah. Nice. I have it set to Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, Los Angeles time. Let me know if you guys want me to change up the times. I'm sure I could figure out a way to, because I guess I am going pretty late, but, early on it's the trading day, and and I have a job. Actually, sorry, this might be the only availability I have. Wow. Damn. Let me see. Yeah. No other time just makes sense with my schedule right now. If I replace my income with this stuff, and with then maybe I can just quit and do more of these Q&As. But yeah. All right. Well, that's the stream.